So the second part in between Route 420 and the authenticated stores is going to be smoke signals and the little hidden gems all over the country that people would want to join and enjoy those two parts of Route 420 as it gets built. And then the third part will be to join and create tourism-based partnerships. Taz got a good word for it. It's about creating campfires.
Digital campfires.
Digital campfires. Smoke signals, what it will do is it'll be an incubation space for communities to get together in places that we would not normally know about all over the world, because wherever you are in the world you can drop a smoke signal. And I think that's priceless in many respects.
So you're globally basically asking like-minded people to jump into a space and share lives and share stories.
Wherever you are in the world you can drop a smoke signal. It'll become highlighted on the front of the Route 420 map. Those are the only two things authenticated and the highlighted. Keep rolling.
Keep rolling.